Macon, Georgia. Rode down to Florida yesterday. Rode over to Alabama today. And riding through Georgia when we can. A little cooler than what we expected, but it's been pretty nice to get out and ride. Back home, I hear snow on the ground and couldn't be riding this week if I was up there. So, down here with my son, riding this Indian, riding my fat boy, enjoying the weather and the ride. Trying to get a little bit of video. It's been kind of cold and the battery's been going dead on me. But get enough to see what it's like in February down here. Plan on coming back later on this summer. Get a little bit more riding in. A little bit of highway riding the last 2 days. Trying to get to Florida and getting here and getting there. Today we got some country riding in. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get up to South Carolina. That'll give me 4 more states. On my quest to get all 48 in. Slowly but surely. It's really been super nice to get away. Don't have to worry about work. Don't have to worry about the politicians or government or anything like that. Stress-free relaxation. Beat that wintertime blues. When we're home tonight, Mother Nature works with us when we're in December, and January, and February, and then other times it doesn't. Snowed a little bit on the way down. It's supposed to snow when we head back. Trailer to bike in the back of the pickup. So I didn't have to ride through the super cold. Brought my heated gear down with me, and it's been really comfortable to ride. You guys like to ride in when it's a little cooler out. I highly suggest investing in some heated gear. For years I was kind of stubborn and bullheaded and didn't think the price would pay off, but let me tell you, it really has. The investment. Some of you know I got hot wire heated gear. I really like it. I don't have the gloves on right now because it's 57 degrees down here. And the gloves are still kind of tight. I haven't broken them in yet. These are my old faithful gloves. It's nice and fit comfortable. Getting turned to smoke a cigarette if I want, or drink something if I want. See acorn orchards and peach tree orchards out through here. Cotton fields. There's all cotton figs in that. Like I said, I kind of like to get back down through here later in the summer. Hopefully they'll have us back down. Three different Harley shops. Got three different shirts. Poker chips. Three different ones on the way home in South Carolina and North Carolina that we haven't stopped at. Drove down by last Sunday and they were closed. We were leaving Saturday, so I plan on stopping in there. Brenda this morning, I said it's recharging my battery, so I should be good to go until spring. riding up 75 from Florida. There's a 6-foot ladder, fiberglass ladder laying right in between the lanes. Gotta keep your eyes out. You never know what you're gonna run into.